Nainis ka ba sa mga unwanted pop-up ads habang nagbabrowse ka ng websites sa inyong mobile phone? Sunod-sunod na ads sa bawat open mo ng K-drama or anime stream sites? Well, on this video, I'll be sharing to you how to remove or lessen those unwanted pop-up ads. Now let's start. Open Settings. Look for Connection. Tap More and select Connection Settings. Select Private DNS. Dito sa part na ito guys, iba-iba ang location ng private DNS. Depende yan sa Android phone na gamit mo. Pwede mo rin gamitin ang search ng settings and type Private DNS. I'm using a Samsung A12 pero basically ang hahanapin mo ay yung Private DNS. Sa loob ng Private DNS, normally naka-turn off yan. Pakitap yung private DNS provider hostname and type dns.adguard.com. Then save. Be sure na nakakonect ka sa internet, either mobile data or Wi-Fi to proceed. Kung gusto nyo naman i-test, just go to different websites na expected nyo na may pop-up ads like K-drama stream sites, watch anime sites, and so on. At sa games naman, may mga prevented overlays rin itong nabablock. Hindi ito gagana sa YouTube dahil kasama mismo yung ad sa kanilang video scripting and we can't force to remove it. So guys, kung nakatulong itong video na ito, please hit that like button, subscribe to this channel as a support, and share this video to our friends because learning is fun. Again, this is Sir Mix of Mix Gaming PH. See you on my next video.